Good morning, I'm Ted Jones at MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. We're here on this beautiful day on a brand new 350 Coupe Sea Ray. What a magnificent boat. If you can see this beautiful layout of this helm area, Simrad for GPS and depth sounder. Nice comfortable seating here for driving the boat. You have Mercury joystick for maneuvering and docking. If we look in the cabin, although it's a little bit hard to see in this video, there's a lot of room. Big comfortable bed, plenty of area for seating, entertaining, and eating. You have a sofa that does convert into a bed as well. Nice galley area for cooking, prepping food. You do have an enclosed head and shower in this boat that's very comfortable as well, and a big aft stateroom. In the cockpit area, very nice lounger seat. Goes back into a big back seating area. Very, very comfortable. And for those days you have to see the game, you got a television. Although if you're on the boat, be spending time with your family and having fun. Forget the game. On the back of this boat, you also have a unique grill setup. My name is Ted Jones with MarineMax in Stuart. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Feel free to call me for more information, 772-263-6743. Have a great day.